Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, June 20th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, you certainly can't say the stock market was boring today. It was absolutely wild. You can see here on the daily chart, stocks opened up about 250 points today and then started a sell-off to midday when they went not quite negative, but pretty close to negative down here at the middle of the day. Then started a nice rally that just kept on going the whole day and made new highs the last 15 minutes of the day and then settled back officially about where it opened. It officially, the Dow closed up 249 points. Excuse me. Okay. First of all, let me just show you another chart here. The Dow. This is the long-term, longer view of the Dow anyway, and you can see here this part right here is the end of April, and then this dive is all of May, and then starting right down here at the very bottom through today, which is up here, is all of June. And this has been the biggest rally the Dow Jones Industrial Average has ever had in the month of June. It has been pretty spectacular. And I did some checking today. The all-time high for the Dow was hit on October 3rd, 2018, last year in October, and that high was 26,828. And during the last 15 minutes of today, the Dow just touched 26,800. So it was 28 points shy of hitting that record high. That's kind of, I don't know why I'm superstitious or something, but that's got me a little bit worried. I want this thing to break that high. We really need to do that. The worst thing that could happen is to have a failure right here when we're only 28 points shy of breaking it. I don't think that'll happen. It'll probably go through it tomorrow. We'll just have to see. Anyway, but part of the volatility in all this has to do with all the talk, the rumors and everything about the Fed cutting interest rates. And, one day they're going to do it, and then the next day they're not going to do it. And stocks just go crazy with talk about what the Fed's going to do or not do about interest rates. So that's what's going on here with this crazy market action. Anyway, okay, I would like to say we made gazillions of dollars today. We did not, but at least we made some money. We were in the hole over $4,000 yesterday on the close, and we managed to get out of that with $1,500 in profit. That's not a fortune, but at least we went from negative $4,000 something to positive 1,500. So I was happy with that. And surprisingly enough, with a huge run up like this, we only got into 5 new positions. 3 were positive, 2 negative, and we are carrying positive $3,300 going into tomorrow. So we just have to see how that goes. As they say, not a spectacular day given the historical significance of this move, but nevertheless, we did make some money, and I'm not going to complain about that. I have really only one stock to show you, but it's pretty interesting. It's also kind of bittersweet. I'll show you that here. This is JNUG, which is the gold mining bull. And this gold just leaped today. Overnight it jumped, and so it opened way up here. Got this huge gap. Of course, we buy those gaps. And this time, though, it kept moving. And so we do have about $3,000 open trade equity in JNUG. So that's real good. But what's kind of what I'm bittersweet about is only 2 days ago we bought JNUG here, and then ended up closing it out yesterday with a small loss there. If somehow we could have held on to it, it'd be worth a gazillions today. But not only that, this action that we had yesterday with JNUG seemed to be telling us something was going to happen with gold. And we missed just by a whisker getting re-entered into this trade. And had we gotten re-entered even at the high of yesterday, we'd be up like $14,000 in JNUG today. But, you know, when it comes to trading, it seems like stuff like that it's always a near miss. Close but no cigar. Didn't happen. Anyway, we got $3,000 in open trade in it. Let's hope it keeps going tomorrow. So that's the way it went on this wild stock market day. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Friday.